I want to show you this little device, a Chromecast dongle. I'm sure you've all seen it before, and you know what it is meant to do. Plug this end into your TV, HDMI, and you connect your smartphone to it, and basically you'll be able to view online content on your TV. For the past couple of weeks, I've been trying out some few things, and I just want to go through some of the other benefits you can get from using the Chromecast. So let's get it hooked up. So I'm going to connect it to the back of my TV. Okay, let me connect. Once it's connected, you get the Chromecast confirmation, and so now we are connected. The Chromecast is working, and I can project content onto my TV. So this is just the basics. So let me go to YouTube. As you can see, I'm not connected, I'm not tethered with any wires I'm just using this as a stand. You see, and it's coming. You just launch it. You equally install the mobile version of the apps. Then I'm able to project. You get a message. This Spacedesk app can only online content from my Windows server using a Chromecast. So this is the Windows server. Just stop it. Version, and this. I pause it. It pauses. I can change. Let me. This is the Android version. Play another video. And it's working. I'm thinking of doing something a little bit different. I got this smart pad thing for one of these on the inside. Okay. So let's just do that. Let's go to some of the things that you can actually do. Check this out. I can actually view my smartphone on the TV. All you have to do is, now the thing is, if you go to Samsung Smart View, it will tell you turn off, I'm sure you can't see it, but I don't know if you can see it, turn off mobile hotspot. If you turn it off, this connection will no longer work because you're using the phone as a Wi-Fi router. So basically what is happening is you're getting cellular data on the phone. It's acting as a router, so the Chromecast, which is connected to the TV, is connected to your smartphone to get access to the internet and then displaying whatever you want it to display. Smart View is supposed to allow you to view your smartphone on your TV. But in this connection, it will not work. It will ask you to disable, it will ask you to disable the hotspot. And if you do that, this connection will go off. So what you do, because I realize some people just stops it right there. They just end it right there and then decide to do something else. All you have to do is, if you go to the Google Home, is it Google Home? Yeah. If you go to Google Home, you will see the setup that you've done with the Chromecast. You'll see it right here. If you press it, it's still casting. Let me stop the casting. Google Home, and your connection. On your connect, you select the connection you've made. You would then go to cast my screen. If you press on that and you say cast screen, start now. There. The content on your phone on the TV. Bear in mind, we're still not physically tethered. So if I go home, you see? You see the same content, my phone, on the TV. Let's go here. YouTube. You see? Now, what's beautiful with this is, the reason why I brought my laptop is, my laptop can equally connect to the Chromecast. Connect my laptop to my phone. Now the laptop is connected. I just need to open Chrome. Now you guys are gonna be amazed with this. If you already know, that's cool, that's cool. I'm opening Chrome on my laptop. So right now with the Chromecast, I can stream online content on my TV. I can extend and view my laptop on the TV. Let me open Chrome on my laptop. At the top right end, if you go to cast, you have the option of casting this particular tab to the TV, or you can cast your entire desktop. So you go to source, cast, 1, 2, there you go. It's casting. So I'm now casting.
All right, I'm connected. On the smartphone, let me launch the Spacedesk again.
Now I'm casting my desktop onto the TV, going through the Chromecast. Are you guys following? There you go. Open a folder. You see? You'll see it? Good. Again, all this is wireless going through Chromecast. The beauty about all this is you don't need any other router or any Wi-Fi. Your phone is acting as the router. Now you can go crazier than this. I did a video on Spacedesk. You all remember that video, right? You can view the content of your laptop on your phone. It's a little crazy, but watch what you can do. Let's launch the Spacedesk like we did the other day. Okay, so let me just leave it here. Let me go here. Okay, get my mouse. Okay, so let me play this video. Now this video is, I'm playing it on my laptop. Now using the Spacedesk, I mentioned that you can view your laptop on your phone. So I'm watching the video on my phone as well. Let me cast my desktop to the TV, which I did previously. So for that to happen, I just need to open my browser, Chrome, top right, click cast. So there you have it. The video is being played on my laptop, on my phone, on my TV, all wirelessly. To even make it crazier, we can add a fourth display. How? Very simple. Using this, the Samsung DeX cable. Samsung DeX cable. I did a review about this. So how you do that is you connect to your phone and connect the other end. It's an HDMI, full HDMI, onto a fourth display. With the Samsung DeX feature, you would be able to view the content on your phone onto another external device. So with that, you'll be able to watch the same content on 4 different devices. Your TV, your laptop, your phone, a different TV. So 2 TVs, laptop, and a phone. Isn't that crazy? With this, it opens up a lot of flexibility. The great thing is, like I said, you don't need a different wireless router. You can use your phone as the router. There it is. Again, like I said, you can add a 4th display. So this is what I want to show you guys. It's extreme, it's crazy, but that's what you can do with the power of Chromecast dongle, Spacedesk, and a Samsung DeX cable. I hope you enjoyed this video. In all this, always make sure you have a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse to make your portability more convenient.